Two F-35B Lightning II jets have successfully landed on board HMS Queen Elizabeth for the first time, laying the foundations for the next 50 years of fixed-wing aviation in support of the UK's carrier strike capability. Royal Navy Commander Nathan Gray made history by being the first to land on, carefully maneuvering his stealth jet onto the thermal-coated deck. He was followed by Royal Air Force Squadron leader Andy Edgell. Gray and Edgell are test pilots at the F-35 Pax River Integrated Test Force based at Naval Air Station Patuxent River, Maryland.
Passes and then final one will be for field. 129 from Bridge Park, Echo into 6 bomb.
Shortly afterwards, once a deck inspection has been conducted and the all clear given, Gray became the first pilot to take off using the ship's ski ramp.